Coverage continues now with a check of this morning's business headlines. The Supreme Court hears a case on the privacy of our personal data. And the U.S. and Mexico are trying to reach a deal on sugar. Jane King's live at the NASDAQ with the sweet stories we've got for you this morning. Good morning, Jane.
Hi, Lorna Kylie. Good morning to you. Boy, this personal data stuff, very timely. Is it actually private? I mean, this is a big question. We carry location data with us almost always with our phones. Now, the Supreme Court has agreed to hear a case on this. Even if you keep your phone's GPS disabled, the device still sends approximate location data to your carrier based on which signal tower it's able to reach. Now, the court will decide the specific cases if that data can be used to connect people to a crime. Well, sugar trade talks between the U.S. and Mexico going into an extra day. The two countries want to reach a deal before NAFTA talks begin in August. At stake is the possibility of stiff U.S. duties and Mexican retaliation on imports of American high fructose corn syrup ahead of the trade talks that are expected to get underway in August. And oil prices today recovering after falling on Monday. Prices went down as OPEC seems to be in an upheaval after Saudi Arabia and other countries cut ties with Qatar over alleged terror links. Oil dropped on worries that OPEC production cut would not hold because of the disarray among the oil-producing nations. And Wells Fargo, the least respected company in America, even less than tobacco companies and cable companies, which are usually at the bottom of the list. Barron says the most respected company right now is Google. And speaking of Google, its parent company, Alphabet, shares passed the $1,000 mark for the first time yesterday. Amazon crossed that milestone 2 weeks ago. Now, the companies are part of an elite group to have a $1,000 stock price. And stocks did close lower yesterday, still near record highs. Some investors worried about all the geopolitical events that are going on, also the fact that just a handful of stocks have really been the ones that have led us higher lately, Google and Amazon among those. Does look like we're going to open lower this morning. Live from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King. Back to you, Lorna Kylie.
Jane, I've got some people around the country. I got to go see some family, a sister, a brother.
Yes.
When's the best time to buy a plane ticket? I need to get the best price.
Well, I mean, this is like one of the greatest mysteries in life, right? Cheap Air says, in general, you want to book airfare at least 3 weeks and up to 3.5 months ahead of time. Now, the key they found is to keep watching the fares. They change, guys, 71 times from when the flight is first announced to when it actually takes off. You know, you can subscribe to like Google Flights or some other services. Yeah. They'll alert you when the price changes because who has time for that?
No one.
Right.
71 times. That's a lot.
71 times.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow. Okay. Jane, thank you.
Every day.
It is 7:26
right
now.